Have you ever wondered if there's a secret to making substantial profits online? Well, we uncovered something remarkable. A mystery new platform that has completely transformed the way affiliate marketing works. Stay tuned as we reveal this mystery platform that could be the pivot to your online success. And if you haven't already, be sure to hit the subscribe button to be updated on our other pivot online strategies. Step 1. Identifying businesses to target. The first step in this groundbreaking affiliate marketing strategy involves pinpointing a diverse array of businesses across various niches and global locations. To accomplish this, we leverage the power of ChatGPT, an AI tool that facilitates the generation of a comprehensive list of businesses worldwide. Utilizing ChatGPT's capabilities, we curate a wide-ranging collection of businesses spanning different sectors, industries, and geographic locations. Whether it's dentists, boutique stores, burgeoning tech startups, or any other niche, the aim is to compile a rich and diverse assortment of potential prospects. Once we've established our list of business types, we dive into the vast repository of information available through Google. Using specific search queries tailored to each niche or industry, we seek out these businesses' online presence to extract vital contact details, predominantly focusing on obtaining their email addresses. Step 2. The mystery platform. Embarking on our journey to generate lucrative affiliate commissions involves the pivotal step of selecting the right platform. Our starting point is partnerstack.com, an affiliate marketplace that serves as the cornerstone of this innovative affiliate marketing strategy. PartnerStack stands out as a dynamic platform designed explicitly for affiliates seeking diverse opportunities to promote and earn commissions. It serves as an expansive hub, offering an array of enticing offers, primarily from B2B software companies. What makes these offers particularly appealing is their penchant for providing recurring commissions, a unique trait in the affiliate marketing landscape. This recurring commission structure ensures the potential for sustained income over time, extending far beyond a one-time sale. To get started, the initial step involves registering on the PartnerStack platform. The registration process is straightforward, requiring basic information to create an account and gain entry into this treasure trove of affiliate opportunities. Once registered, affiliates can dive headfirst into exploring the PartnerStack marketplace. Here, a wealth of offers awaits, ranging from software solutions tailored to streamline businesses' operations, enhance productivity, or innovate in their respective domains. The diverse array of offerings ensures that affiliates can align themselves with products or services that resonate with their interests, expertise, or target audience. Navigating through the marketplace, affiliates can peruse the details of each offer, including commission structures, product specifics, and promotional resources available. Assessing these offerings allows affiliates to make informed decisions regarding the offers they intend to promote. Careful consideration is essential during this selection process. Affiliates should seek offers that not only align with their niche or target audience, but also present the potential for long-term partnerships. Choosing offers with recurring commissions lays the groundwork for sustained income, fostering a mutually beneficial relationship between affiliates and the B2B software companies they promote. Step 3. Obtain affiliate links. After identifying potential businesses as our target prospects, the next pivotal move involves establishing affiliate connections and obtaining unique affiliate links for the selected offers. The process begins by applying as an affiliate for the chosen offer within the PartnerStack platform. Affiliates fill out requisite details, including their credentials, relevant information, and often specifics regarding their promotional strategies or platforms. Upon approval as an affiliate, the platform provides affiliates with their exclusive and personalized affiliate link for the selected offer. This unique affiliate link acts as the gateway, attributing sales or conversions generated through this link to the respective affiliate. It's a crucial asset, enabling affiliates to track their performance, monitor conversions, and earn commissions based on their promotional efforts. The obtained affiliate link is a pivotal tool in the affiliate marketer's arsenal, serving as the conduit through which potential customers are directed to the offered product or service. Its uniqueness ensures accurate commission attribution, empowering affiliates to leverage this link in their promotional campaigns aimed at the identified businesses. But wait, let's take a quick pause. I'd love to hear from you, our amazing audience. Are you excited to boost your income with these online earning opportunities? Let the money flow from all directions by following our Pivot Online strategies. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below because we're here to guide you and provide answers. Step 4. Content creation with AI. In the evolution of our affiliate marketing strategy, the next step involves crafting compelling content tailored to cater to the needs of the identified businesses. Leveraging the capabilities of SEO writing.ai tools, we engage in generating high-quality articles or blog posts uniquely tailored to resonate with these businesses. SEO writing.ai aids in creating content that intricately delves into how software services can significantly benefit these businesses. The generated content revolves around highlighting the value propositions and specific advantages that the software offers, aligning them with the respective business's requirements. Customization plays a pivotal role in this process, ensuring that the content aligns with the generated keywords, preferred languages, and target countries of the businesses. This personalized touch enhances relevance, making the content more engaging and impactful for the businesses being targeted. Step 5. Sharing content on Medium. In this crucial step of our affiliate marketing strategy, we leverage the influential platform of Medium.com to disseminate the meticulously crafted content. Medium serves as an accessible and influential publishing platform, capable of garnering substantial traffic, especially when optimized for search engines through SEO strategies, a facet seamlessly managed by SEO writing.ai. Publishing the generated articles or blog posts on Medium allows us to tap into a vast audience base and potentially attract free organic traffic from Google. The content, tailored with SEO using SEO writing.ai's capabilities, positions itself favorably to rank higher in search engine results, amplifying visibility and reach. Embedded within these well-crafted articles lies a strategically placed call to action that is compelling and persuasive in its nature. This call to action acts as the gateway, enticing readers to engage further by clicking on the embedded affiliate link. Medium serves as our bridge, connecting the informative content to the targeted businesses. The publication on this platform not only enhances credibility but also establishes a channel through which businesses can discover valuable insights, while simultaneously exploring the offered software services. Step 6. Initiating contact with businesses. With the groundwork laid through content publication on Medium, the next pivotal step involves establishing direct communication with the identified businesses. Leveraging the contact details procured earlier, we initiate outreach via email, aiming to foster a non-intrusive and value-driven interaction. Rather than adopting a direct sales approach, our focus is on delivering value. The crux of our communication revolves around offering insights and solutions that align with the business's needs. We share the Medium article link, an invaluable resource that elucidates how the software services offered could be a game changer for their business. This outreach strategy is geared towards initiating a dialogue based on shared interests and potential mutual benefits. It establishes a non-intrusive yet informative approach, encouraging businesses to explore further through the Medium article link while subtly guiding them towards considering the offered software services as a solution to enhance their business operations. Step 7. Potential affiliate commissions. The essence of our affiliate marketing strategy lies in the culmination of efforts and the potential to reap substantial rewards through affiliate commissions. As we facilitate businesses in discovering solutions aligned with their needs, the pivotal moment arrives when they engage with our embedded affiliate links within the Medium articles. The beauty of this approach lies in its win-win nature. When businesses click on the strategically embedded affiliate links and subsequently sign up for the offered software services, a symbiotic relationship is formed. Not only do these businesses benefit from innovative solutions that enhance their operations, but this action also triggers affiliate commissions for the affiliates who facilitated the connection. Affiliate commissions are the tangible rewards stemming from the successful referral and conversion process. Through our affiliate links, tracked and attributed to our efforts, the affiliate stands to earn commissions based on the business's actions, signing up or making purchases. And that's a wrap. In the ever-evolving online world, we don't just surf the web, we pivot it. At Pivot Online, we're your compass to online success. We'll guide you through the digital jungle so you can turn clicks into cash. Join us as we reshape the online landscape and pivot your way to financial freedom. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hit the bell to stay tuned for more money-making tips. Until next time, this is Pivot Online, where you're one pivot away from your next success story.